They got a book with penguins.
Yeah, can someone like put all the strapping
Look at all the stuff you got. Oh, Pepe. Oh, yeah, no, there's another one right here. Come. Well, here, get this one.
Okay.
The big one. What's Happy Son down the top? Ooh, what's this one?
It's a truck. Santa's helper. Santa really noticed it.
Yeah, look at that. It's one of those Hummer things.
Now let's open up these ones.
Oh. Can Daddy try on his coat to see if it fits him?
Sure.
Pepe. Oh, Daddy got a coat, Dominic. Did you know that?
No.
You didn't know.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Yeah.
After this May I can try out with my truck.
Yep.
It's the coat.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas. It's the coat what you wanted. It's this one. Yeah, at least.
Let's hope so.
Run, you can try now. Yes, the speedy, please, oh, you do. The speedy, please, oh, the speedy, please, oh, I will.
It's shorter than I thought, isn't it?
It's shorter than I...
Well,
Yeah.
still. Okay. Oh, there's one more present for me. Oh, come on. Oh,
I got a hood.
I got this. My mommy.
Nana and Papa bought that for you.
Oh, yeah. You get a machine.
It's waterproof.
Okay. So
And you can make any machine.
So you're comfortable in that?
Yeah.
You can make machines in it. All of that. Mom.
Okay. Looks good.
You can make machines in it.
Yes.
Yeah, but it makes it a little longer, like you said. Other than that, it's fine.
Okay.
Like the size part fits.
Yeah.
Does this hood come off, though?